Hello again, everyone. Here we are in this beautiful Swiss glacial valley with a big running, raging glacial river down it, a little mini waterfall over here. And oh look, some under-waterfall tunnels that we have to go through. I'm sure this will be entertaining. When the Swiss actually installed these. As you can see, the waterfall is quite powerful here. In fact, nothing. My water sack is almost empty. Maybe I'll go for a fill. I think my water sack is almost empty. Maybe I'll fill it here. What do you think, Mark? My water sack's almost empty. Maybe I'll go fill it. I'm just going to fill my water with this delightful almost out here. I'm going to, I'm sure, massively break the law in Switzerland by stepping over the cable here. Oh yeah, that looks real good. Getting some nice splashes from it too, quite refreshing. Alright, that should be pretty good for now. Sure, I was just gonna, it's easy, I was just gonna climb up here and show people. Just give me your bag or whatever.
No, I was just gonna fill the water bottle.
Okay, I can fill it up. Dry out the sun for a minute. So I'm just going to quickly and probably illegally climb up here. Don't worry. As you can see, it's pretty raging up here. Oh yeah. Look how slippery this is, not too bad. Yeah, so there's a beautiful glacier over there. Look at that, water is rushing down pretty quickly there, eh? Alright, well, climb back down before the gendarmes come to get me in some sort of anti-flood helicopter. Back down the same way here. Thankfully these boots are so stiff, they're actually not half bad for climbing. There you have it. Delightful Swiss glacial waterfall. I guess I'll finish crossing through the tunnels first. Well, I'm stuffed water sack back in the bag. Just a little bit of dampness. Marking Alex was talking about a lunch spot. Might fill this one up too, actually.
Fill that one up?
I got it. Always important to stay well hydrated in the mountains, especially when you're hiking 20 kilometers a day. You want that filled? Here, put this back in my water bottle pocket for me. It's nice and cold. Just come stick your arms in it. There you go.
Hey, take a picture of me in front of the Waterfall.
Let's finish crossing underneath delightful waterfall. And there you have it. Join you viewers if we get some more excitement.